I can actually feel it. You can't taste the booze, but it's there. You can feel it. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, here I am. I'm finally gonna do it. You guys have been asking me to do this for weeks, and I've been procrastinating for weeks. I'm gonna smoke a pineapple. Pineapple terps? Now, there's one thing about all these smoked Fireball pineapple videos on YouTube. They all have Fireball in them, but then all the booze gets cooked out. Now, if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna show you how you get the booze back in to turn the pineapple fun again. Let's peel the pineapple. And I cut the top and the bottom flat so it stays flat. Perfect. And now our pineapple stands, and we can work around it like this, like this. There's all these eyes on the pineapple, and some people go really crazy with these and they cut designs out, but I'm just gonna shave them off. There we go, our pineapple looks nice and trimmed up. Check it out. Ooh. We're gonna drench this thing in Fireball. Super easy process. We put our pineapple in the plastic bag, and we soak our pineapple in lots of Fireball. There we go. Let's try to take the air out of the bag. There's two ways I know how to do this. You can either push down and squish all the air out of the bag like everyone else, or you can get a little bit more personal with your bag. Massage your pineapple after inhaling your Fireball fumes. We're gonna put this in the fridge and roll it around just like this every 10 or 20 minutes, just to make sure we get Fireball throughout the whole pineapple. While I'm waiting for the pineapple to get infused with the Fireball, I'm gonna get my barbecue started outside. I'm gonna keep this soaking in Fireball for about an hour. There's many different ways you could do barbecue pineapple. The easiest way, obviously, is just to slap it on a gas grill, but you could also put it on your smoker and smoke it like an oven. I think that the best of both worlds is going with charcoal on a rotisserie with chunks of oak. That way you get to smoke it, grill it, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna get our fire started by dumping our coals and then putting the oak on top. We're gonna put one more big piece of coal in here. I'm aiming for around 350 on this one. We have two pieces of fresh coal over here. We've got a big one already going, and I've got a bunch of small ones already going underneath. We're gonna add our rotisserie pineapple, then we're gonna add our oak. Probably a recipe for disaster, but we're gonna try to do this without a table. Okay, okay. Oh, it's working. I just have to not stab through the bag. Oh, I did it. No. Ta-da! Pineapple on a spit. Now let's put our oak in it. The oak is already kind of started, so I'm gonna get the lid on this thing. It's gonna create a bit of a dirty fire, but I want that smoke. Our vents on the bottom are fully open, and our vents on the top are fully open. I've got my vents on the top on the far side of the fire. That way the fire has to travel through and make its way across the pineapple. I was gonna make my own rub, but this was given to me, and this thing has sugar, cinnamon, sea salt, ginger, and cloves. That should be pretty good. Ooh. And now that I open the lid, the fire is going. It's got all the oxygen it needs to really catch. That's hot. There we go, lots of rub on this thing. Let the rotisserie do the job, eh? Our top secret part. This is how you get the alcohol back in the pineapple, because you've cooked it out, remember? But you want to make the pineapple fun, don't you? I didn't lose all of it. So I told you it was a recipe for disaster, and I did poke right through the bag, but I managed to save a good chunk. And this is going right back in. Check it out. Perfect. This is the secret. We're going to take our meat injector and infuse the pineapple with Fireball again, but this time not cook the alcohol out. You can't really push too hard. Oh! Ah! It's not really working because this pineapple has a whole bunch of little channels and it just finds its way out and just shoots its way out the side. I am getting some in there, and we will get the fun back in the pineapple. Wrapping it up like this and putting it back in the fridge, it's gonna get all that smoke flavor even deeper. And that fresh Fireball is gonna have its time to work its way in. Make that your wallpaper and smoke it. Well, guess what? It's been 2 days. Life got ahead of me, I guess, and we got a better pineapple, or did we? Let's cut into this thing and figure out what it's like. That's some rich cinnamon. The bark seems to be holding pretty good. It doesn't seem to be coming off. And a lot of the Fireball made its way back in. We do have a little bit left right here. I wonder what that's gonna taste like. So through the bag, you can smell a lot of cinnamon, but once you open the bag, all that pineapple comes right out. Those pineapple terpenes. I just don't want to ruin my bark. Oh, nice. We got a little bit of this for later. Got the nice blade for this one. There's a baby. There's a baby in this video. That just cuts right through. Oh my God, that looks so good. There it is. That crust is so nice. And I cannot wait to drink this juice. Looks so good. That's like butter. Oh man. Do you guys see that little drip coming off my glove here? Boop, boop, boop. It's pretty complex. The pineapple is still there. I don't really taste as much Fireball as I thought I would. Even after putting fresh Fireball back in, there's tons of smoke. I mean, I can taste the charcoal. I can taste the oak I smoked it with, but I can taste more of the charcoal. This would be really good with a ham. That rub had a little bit of cloves in it. A little different, but it's good. Fully cooked, you can eat the rind. It's pretty smooth. So if anything, this is backwards. I've got the Fireball infused with pineapple, and I've got the rub in there with the sugar and the cinnamon and the cloves. Let's check it out. Oh my God, delicious. It's like pineapple juice. It's lots of cinnamon with smoke. Fireball's at the end. That's like the last thing you taste. Oh, so good. Man, that's beautiful, eh? I'm really happy I smoked this the other day because now it's snowing pretty heavy, but I got my pineapple. Hey, if you like seeing silly stuff like this, make sure you like and subscribe, help support the channel. I'll see you on the next one.